Welcome to the History Knowledge Network. Angkor Wat and Siem Reap are among the most attractive tourist destinations in Cambodia, and Angkor Wat. Angkor Wat is the largest religious temple in the world and is known as the national symbol of Cambodia. This temple was built in the 12th century by King Suryavarman I and was dedicated to Vishnu. History of Angkor Wat in the early 12th century AD during the reign of King Suryavarman I, built by Vishnu, one of the Kage. The purpose of building Angkor Wat, dedicated to God Vishnu, Marv and Cage, demonstrating the power of the king. The construction of this temple. Legends of Angkor Wat. The construction of Angkor Wat is closely tied to mythological stories. One legend says that this temple was built by Indra. The reliefs of the temple also depict stories from the Ramayana and the Mahabharata. Geographical and strategic location. Meru, former Herm, is located in an area with rainforests and near rivers. This geographic location allowed it to trade as a commercial center and was involved in the exchange of goods such as jade, cocoa, and other valuable Mayan products. Proximity to the main communication routes between the Mayan civilizations such as Palenque and Calakmul. Historical and cultural. Meru, former Herm, in the classical period, one of the cities dependent on Calakmul. One of Qatar inscriptions and archaeological findings show that the area hosted major ritual ceremonies and celebrations related to the Mayan calendar. Archaeological excavations at Meru, former Herm, in recent decades have provided more information about Maya architecture, social life, and the governmental system. This site continues to be studied, and it is possible that further discoveries in the future will reveal more secrets of the Maya civilization. Visiting and tourism. Meru, former Herm, is one of the lesser-known tourist destinations in the state of Tabasco, but it offers a valuable and unique experience for those interested in Mayan culture and ancient history. Visitors can enjoy the restored structures and the surrounding nature and learn more about the Mayan civilization. The ancient ruins of Tomi, known as Tomi, are located in Benghazi. They are Greco-Roman and are special history and location. Tomi is an ancient city belonging to the Hellenistic era. After Ranica Sea battles has been captured by Tomi I. This region is strategically located near the Mediterranean coast and trade routes between Africa and the Mediterranean world. Historical. The site is one of the key points for understanding Hellenistic civilization in ancient Rome. Tomi was part of various networks of Greek colonial cities in the region, including important cities such as Shahat, Siren, and Apollonia. Conservation challenges with destructions caused by human activities, looting of ancient artifacts, and natural factors are also major problems in the protection of the site. Ancient Greek temples of Perseus, Athena, Apollo inherit characteristics of Greek temples. Classical architecture. A Greek temple usually has a rectangular structure and is made of marble or limestone. Massive columns in various styles such as Doric, Ionic, and Corinthian feature the bar. The main design of temples. Temples usually had two main naos, a place to keep spices, pranos, entrance or porch. A row of columns are placed around the temple, which is called prestyle. Decorations and sculptures. Many temples are decorated with beautiful reliefs depicting scenes from myths and the lives of the gods. The triangular roofs of the temple's pediments are decorated with intricate motifs and large sculptures. Outstanding examples of Greek temples. Parthenon. Acropolis of Athens. The temple dedicated to Athena, the goddess of wisdom and war, a masterpiece of Doric architecture, a symbol of Greek civilization. Temple of Zeus in Olympia, one of the largest Greek temples dedicated to the god Zeus, the father of Cade. Sharp Temple of Apollo at Delphi, the central religion for the Greeks, dedicated to Apollo, the god of light and music. Delphi, the temple of Athena. Nikon, the Acropolis. Athena Nake Victory T Temple of Hera in Paestum, Italy, one of the function of Greek temples, the place of worship of the gods, the community center. Part show the power of the city. Moab, the present state of Greek temples. Many of these temples have been destroyed due to time, earthquake, war, and the use of building materials. However, the remaining ruins show the grandeur and beauty of ancient Greek architecture.